Afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. It was great to have Praveen talk about Mahindra Group's vision and how Mahindra REVA is part of that process to bring about a change not only in products but in the entire ecosystem. Anand's talk about the future mobility and the 5 C's of clean, connected, clever, cost-effective have put together the framework of how we could visualize the future. To me, the future of mobility is not some esoteric concept. It's something that we actually do here at Mahindra REVA, from end to end, from when we design products all the way to when we use them and its end of life. So it's far beyond the aspects, and although we would use it another time to discuss that, I thought it was quite relevant that since we're in this facility, I'd like to tell you how we have used some of these 5 C's around here in action as you take a tour around the facility later today. Although we've got something that's very clean here, that's going to be hygiene of the future, we're taking this a lot further. We've looked at new design and manufacturing processes that further allow us to eliminate waste. For example, the entire panels are made of a high-impact ABS polymer that is completely pre-impregnated. That means there are no paint plants and all the emissions that go with it, making vehicles and the processes even far cleaner. We talked about convenience, and I was earlier asked a question about the infrastructure. And as you walk around, you're going to see our quick-to-charge technology, where in 15 minutes, you can get 25 kilometers of a charge and go away. These allow us to create a next level of conveniences for customers. Anand talked about the vision on connected. But in the plant, you see, we take connected to a very different level. The energy we get from the sun goes into the plant. And actually, when the cars go on the dynamometer and we test, we take the energy back from the car through the dynamometer and put it back in the plant, and the whole energy ecosystem is connected. We connect it far differently also, that every car that leaves here is connected to our central servers, and we get its first heartbeat when it leaves the plant from here. What you're seeing here is a plant that can do 30,000 vehicles. And what went into here was design and manufacturing philosophies that made it very clever in what we've done. Small is the new big. Efficient size plants that are right and cost effective are going to be the new mantra. And what you're seeing here is the result of this. The cleverness has gone in how to put in plants where we looked here. Clever goes also into the ecosystem. And as you take a tour, you're going to see one other technology, what we call car to home. And actually, when you get home, in case you have a power cut, you can plug your car in, and your car's energy source can actually power your house. So Anand also talked about cost effectivity, and I think that I must say green doesn't mean it needs to cost more. But when you combine clean with a clever way to doing it, being innovative about it, thinking of all the C's coming together, you can make something that's very cost effective. And that's what we've done as a living example in the facility here, in making something at probably a fraction of a cost at what a typical automotive company would use on this area. Cost effectivity goes to another point. So we're going to be showing a technology called Sun to Car, where actually using solar energy, you can power your car. Now imagine, for that, you're going to get free energy for life of your car. To me, that's the future of mobility. So cost effectivity is going to be the mantra, and we see this happening very much in everything here. I also want to read out a small message from the Premier of Victoria, who couldn't make it here, Mr. Ted Bailey. And I'll just read out a few lines from his letter that he could send. The state of Victoria, Australia is fortunate to have relationships with both Mahindra and Mahindra through its aerospace and technology investments and with Mahindra REVA. I'm delighted that your vision has become a reality, and I look forward to future collaboration between Mahindra REVA and Melbourne's automotive industry. Thank you very much.